uMadloma no baby boy, they're okay. The ambulance came and took them to hospital. Umtunzi is such a proud father, Betuna. It's so beautiful to watch. Dala managed to pull a heist A1, came back home with bags full of money, but they still can't get the kids, and that's driving Chloe crazy because the police are watching Vuvu's house like crazy. Ututu finally agreed to listen to Dintle and got Mr. Malaza to come out. Now Dintle took pictures of him and Mutsabe got to meet him and saw that Kanye was right all along. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Umdala decided that he's going to go and do the heist himself since Mtunzi could not do the robbery at Pechafela. Tlhoge was a bit worried at first, saying, please come back in one piece, be safe, be careful out there. But Mdala has been doing this for years and ages, so like he knows what he's doing. Managed to pull a heist. One man stopped the fidelity card, pulled a gun, threatened them, petrol, whatever it is that was in the thingy, that was in the scoop. They ran away, he got his money, came out with 2 bags full of cash. Over 20 meters that Tlhoge is at home worrying, only for Mdala to walk in with 3 bags full of money. Tlhoge was like so excited. Mdala is in one piece, heist went well, they're good. So the next thing is what? We're getting the kids and we're leaving because Mdala is like, we've got enough money to start afresh somewhere else. Tlhoge grabs the bags. Yo, what's it? Hey, grabs the bags and like, let's go get our kids. My twins. Mdala is like, nope, I don't think that's possible, Munyus, because my parties. Ashebile komavutela kwa, we can't just go in noma kanjani. And then Mavutela is already preparing to take the twins, to leave the twins in the house, go out to Castrola, pretending to be taking them to ER because Arba fees. Only for Tlhoge to tell her that Mdala cannot pick them up because Mdala cannot be in 2 places at once. Mdala had to go do the heist, so he could not come to the house to get the kids. Now, Vuvu had to pretend as if the call was for Victor, the call was about work. Yo, what's king guru tlaka. Ka more types of busy go tubela, mutanya go tsamaka. Go tubela balapile, they want to sleep. Mutu shu uduti, he ate there, now they're drinking, he keeps on utlaga ditaba. Vele li rang tomorrow. Matubela li kidiboni, they're like, what's king, nothing koroba. The next thing, what Torres Solomon, they ended up getting tired. But I went out Maya man. Hunter is gonna get a call, asali mobile, yay. Koloya ya chelete Pechafela, they hijacked, they took the money. Now he's safe. He's got an alibi. Horinale go to Bella the whole time. Mtunzi delivered Madlomo's baby. One man, with the help of Google and the internet, he managed to deliver the baby. The baby is fine. The ambulance arrived, and Umadloma and the baby are okay. It's so beautiful to see that Umadloma, all the complications that we're talking about did not happen. Mtunzi delivered his own first baby, and it's a baby boy. He's so happy. It's so beautiful to see Mtunzi in this era, soft and in love, and just being a family man like this with Umadlomo. Usazusangana uNhloso when he finds out that Umtunzi and Umadlomo have a baby boy together. Dintle finally got to Tutugo as saying, can you please let me see, is it indeed the guide? Because Tutugo was like, no man, I don't think Lento Kulma. But he got him out, and because now you're starting to doubt why a family is worried about their family members when they're overseas. When Malaza comes to meet with Untutugo no Khalalelo, he says that izinto Khalalelo have visas and stuff already, so Khalalelo is ready to go anytime soon. But maybe wants you again. Tutugo is now feeling uncomfortable. Kanti Udinte took a video of him, and now he's gonna have evidence. She's gonna have evidence. Mutabi want to meet with him and realize Kanye was right all along. The guide is indeed back, but he pretended as if he doesn't know who Mutabi is and said, this young lady, I don't have time for this. Caused a spectacle, level up apartments, and Mutabi left. Finally, they can have evidence because he's back and expose him. I know Dinka can't rest until he's got him. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.